Hey guys, it's Claudette Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this Merry Christmas circle paint by line. I have base coated it first in the color Fluff and let that dry. I'm going in now with some of the color Evergreen, and I'm painting my Merry lettering. Following that, I'm going to swap over to the color Barn Red, and I'm going to paint my Christmas lettering. And then next I'm going to go in with Limeade to paint my Christmas tree. I'll use Colonel Mustard for my star. And I'm going to use Sea Glass for all of my little snow flakes that are falling. Once I'm done base coating everything, I'm going to go in with a number 4 round and just some black paint and outline everything just here and there, just trying to make it pop. I'm not making it too sharp of an outline or too precise. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.